Hello students of class 5th. Today we are going to do chapter 8 ICSE Social Studies, Weather and Climate. So let's begin. Topics to be covered: weather, climate, factors affecting the climate of a place, temperature zones of the earth and eclipse. Weather, the condition of air at a particular time and at a particular place is called weather. The weather may be hot, cold, sunny, rainy, humid or cloudy. Weather changes from day to day or even from hour to hour. The hot weather today can be breezy and cold tomorrow. Climate, the average weather condition over a long period at a place is called climate. It is a permanent condition. Climate takes a very long time to change. It differs from place to place all over the world. Factors affecting the climate of a place. Latitude. Latitude denotes the distance from the equator. Sun rays heat up the earth. They fall vertically over the equator. Altitude. The height of a place above the sea level is called altitude. The higher a place from the sea level, the cooler it will be. Winds. Winds are responsible for carrying the weather of one place to another. Distance from the sea. Movement of winds affects the climate of a place. Places closer to the sea experience equable or moderate climate. Humidity. The amount of moisture in air at a given point of time is called humidity. Humidity influences the climate of a place. Ocean currents. There can be warm or cold ocean currents. The temperature of the ocean currents affects the climate of the areas. Temperature zones of the earth. Torrid zone. The term torrid means extremely hot. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Temperature zone. In the northern hemisphere, the temperate zone is situated between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. The frigid zone. The frigid zone covers the areas that lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. These areas receive very little heat from the sun and hence remains very cold throughout the year. Eclipses. The term eclipse means to hide. Sometimes the sun, the moon and the earth come in a straight line. At times the earth comes between the moon and the sun, while at other times the moon comes between the sun and the earth. The one in the middle casts a shadow which partially or wholly hides the earth from the sun. This is called an eclipse. Lunar eclipse. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, it blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon and creates a shadow. This is known as lunar eclipse. There are two parts of the earth's shadow: umbra, the part where the sunlight is totally blocked; penumbra, the part where the earth blocks the sunlight. Solar eclipse. When the moon comes between the earth and the sun, it blocks some part of the sun and creates a shadow. This is known as solar eclipse. It seems as though the sun has a disk in front of it that creates a shadow. There are two parts of the moon's shadow. First, umbra, the region on the earth where umbra falls has total solar eclipse. 2. Penumbra, the region where penumbra falls has partial solar eclipse. Thank you.